Hey everybody, welcome to the BodyFix PT and Performance YouTube channel. In this exercise, we're going to use a suspension trainer and teach you a reverse fly. Okay, that's going to be a movement where you're holding the suspension trainer in both hands and pulling yourself up and your arms apart. All right, so I'm going to pull this back. I'm going to get a little bit of a lean. Arms are straight, and then I'm pulling my arms out and to the side, and I'm controlling it back. Okay, this is a reverse fly. You want to have control that whole time. Okay, to make it easier, you can take a step back. Just like so, and I pull it apart. I'm really trying not to use my legs. And if I want to make it harder, I'm going to take a step in. We'll come back. Go like that. If you want, you can pause at the top. Come back together. And up like that. Okay? So that's the reverse fly with the suspension trainer. If you have any questions, comment below. You can always reach out to us at bodyfixpt.com. We appreciate you watching the video. Give us that thumbs up if you like it. And take care. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.